Horse vocabulary. Picture and meaning. Horse. A large plant-eating domesticated mammal with solid hooves and a flowing mane and tail. Used for riding, racing, and to carry and pull vehicles. Stallion. An adult male horse that has not been gelded, that is used for breeding. Mare. An adult female horse. Brood mare. A mare kept especially for breeding purposes. Foal. A very young horse. Yearling. A young horse, either male or female, that is between 1 and 2 years old. Coal. A young male horse, especially one less than 4 years old. Filly. A female horse that is too young to be called a mare. Gelding. A male horse that has been castrated. Pony. Just like a horse, only shorter. Shetland pony. A very small, sturdy Scottish breed of pony with a long, shaggy mane and tail. Gait horse. The particular way a horse walks or runs. Trot. Runs at its slowest speed, using short, quick steps. Gallop. The fastest speed at which a horse can run, with a stage in which all 4 feet are off the ground together.
Good!
Canter. A movement of a horse at a speed that is fairly fast, but not very fast, or a ride on a horse at this speed. Buck. Of a horse to jump into the air and kick out with the back legs. The stallion bucked as he fought against the reins, holding him tightly in. Neigh. A long, loud, high call that is produced by a horse when it is excited or frightened. Horse snort. A loud, explosive exhalation out of a horse's nose is called a snort, and typically means the horse is startled. Hobble. To tie together 2 legs of a horse or other animal in order to stop it from running away. Horseshoe. A piece of metal shaped like a U that is attached to the bottom of a horse's hoof in order to protect it. Farrier. A specialist in equine hoof care, including the trimming and balancing of horses' feet and the placing of shoes on their hooves. Jockey. A person who rides horses in races, especially as a job. Groom. A person whose job is to feed and take care of horses, especially by brushing and cleaning them. Mane. The long, thick hair that grows along the top of a horse's neck or around the face and neck of a lion. Saddle. A leather seat for a rider on a horse. Horse anatomy. Paddock. A small field or enclosure where animals, especially horses, are kept. Stable. A building in which horses are kept. Quarter horse. A small, powerful USA breed of horse, originally bred for sprinting in quarter-mile races in Virginia in the late 18th century. White horses. A wave that is blown by the wind so its crest is broken and appears white. Clothes horse. A folding frame on which wet clothes can be hung to dry, usually used inside the house. Sawhorse. A wooden frame that supports wood that is being cut with a saw. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my channel.